All right, well, I'm inviting all my friends to the party. You're invited. Leslie, we're here, right?
I mean, let's keep this party going.
We are to keep this party going. And actually, Leslie has something that's near and dear to my heart. I'm a farm girl at heart. So, I mean, just the name alone meant that I would love this. And you want to talk about a heck of a buy? What, like 100 pieces?
100 pieces.
For $17.95? I mean, hello.
Right.
Hello. Right. I should let you know, though, everything is in sellout quantity tonight. There are only 1,000 of these. All perfect reviews at hsn.com.
Right.
And Leslie, I love what you've done here. I mean, so you're getting all of the paper.
Yes,
right?
Let me show you what you're getting.
Sounds
100
good.
pieces, again.
Okay.
You're getting 2D sticker embellishments.
Oh, great.
Yes, you're getting 21 of those. You're getting 34 die cuts that you see separated out here.
All right.
You're getting these wonderful embellishments, feathers, the grosgrain, 2 grosgrain ribbons, lace ribbon, and 2 foot lengths, so it's a decent amount. You're getting the plastic flowers, the resin flowers, and the little hand-painted wooden clothespins, which are great. And then you're getting 26 sheets of the heavyweight cardstock.
Oh, yeah.
This is the Farmhouse collection.
That's
we
nice.
have this great, vintage shop with the great things that you find. Front porch lemonade, right? Doesn't it bring you back grandma's attic? And the weight of this paper, can you hear that? I mean,
nice.
This is great paper. This is paper that when you're doing your cards and your tags, does not require backing. There's no backing required on this. It is super thick. You're getting your embellishments on here. These sticker embellishments are just that. They're sticker embellishments. So they do have the adhesive on them. They're real easy to pick on and off.
Makes it easy.
You got your tags. Again,
and you were saying too, like part of what we love though is it has a place to live.
The 3 birds nest, which is so beautiful to gift, but it's also a great organizational tool. Everything fits in there. You know exactly what it is. It's the Farmhouse collection.
Just, I mean, so dynamite. And just a really nice way to gift yourself or treat someone else. And it's kind of like all your projects right there for you.
Absolutely.
So last 1,000 though. So this will be your only opportunity to grab it. And remember that price is only good for today as part of our large crafting party that we're all celebrating.
Right. These are all this also has worked well with those basil cardstocks that were mentioned earlier, the solids in that, and the border kits that are coming up. Back in the papers, we're having, this is part of this blue family right here that's with the front porch theme. And this wood, I love this barn wood, is so trendy. So this is really reminiscent, warm, cozy feelings, but it still has some of these modern trending elements to them.
It does.
And these elements are gorgeous. These can be cut out on their own and used in cards.
Definitely.
These are 12 by 12 sheets, so they're perfect for scrapbooking. But again, all of these elements are so heavyweight and high quality, they can be used in any of your paper crafting or home decor.
Look at how great that is. You know, I love the detailing. Like you said, the whitewashing, the color palette is so soft. I mean,
and isn't it so nice with all this weather to see these nice spring blue skies, warm,
One day it will warm up.
One day it will work.
One day.
I love the bicycle with the flowers.
See, that might be my favorite.
Yes, it's so sweet. It's so sweet. It just makes me want to have a glass of lemonade. And again, this paper is so really worth its weight in gold practically, and it's $17.95.
I know. I mean, really, to get 100 pieces for $17.95. I mean, the value speaks for itself. So we are saying 2.5 minutes or sellout. And a lot of what you're going to see throughout tonight is only for this show. In fact, it's funny because the today's special could only be for this show. Leslie, with this kind of farmhouse theme, only for this show. So it's going to be a fun night. You're probably going to be losing sleep, though, because when you see what you like.
Oh, we crafty people don't need sleep.
Exactly right.
We don't need sleep.
No.
Let's look at some of these papers, too. I mean, we've got these lovely tonal blues and greens. I love
those are nice colors.
The map. All in, isn't that fabulous?
Wow. That's a nice little discovery. I wouldn't expect that.
Tonal pinks, but they have the textures, the doily textures in them. This is that great banner and birds paper with the doily. And herere's that wonderful farmhouse, and we've given you some extra of the farmhouse barn paper because it's so trendy. It really is. It is. I mean, the weight is, if you can hear it, it's fabulous. We have this the tonal gold and the peach and the green and the doily prints with, again, that lovely luggage and birds and feathers.
Terrific. And remember, you get all the die cuts, you get the stickers.
Yes, you get the die cuts. So these are, and I love, like, even you think of all these little ideas you can do with these die cuts. Put a little glue dot on it and a toothpick. You've got a great embellishment for your card. Or you've got a cheese.
Actually,
stick it in your cheese with a label, the cheese label. It's wonderful. Or, you know, you stick on your little butterfly.
Why not?
And you've got a wonderful little celebrate.
Yeah.
3 birds. It's love, joy, and celebration.
It is.
We're celebrating tonight, aren't we?
We really are. And, I mean, honestly, these are prices to celebrate, and you're going to see values actually tonight and throughout the day that you just don't see, you know, really any other time during our crafting shows. And it's just nice to have you here. I do encourage you to shop quickly, though, just because everything that you see, at least during my 2-hour block with you, is pretty much only for this show. And unfortunately, that also includes our today's special now, too. So you'll see an encore look of that in about 20 minutes' time. But when you look at these pages, honestly, the color palette and all the additional embellishments, they really kind of speak to you to kind of
really
create
do.
Your own looks.
It's just it's amazing to me, and it's all perfectly coordinated.
Yeah,
so
it
you're
is.
really it all comes together so quickly and easily. You can there are elements that you can run through your Xyron.
Sure.
There are elements that already have the stickers on them that have the adhesive, so you can stick them right on. They're great. They're just, I think, really very easy to put together, and a really wonderful vintage. I just love the warm, cozy feel.
Yeah, warm and cozy, and obviously the price is right as well. Okay, so a little coffee break, and then you're coming back next hour.
I'll be back next hour with another bountiful kit as well.
I know, it's actually a lot of fun. Leslie.